Alright, did a quick unboxing. I haven't seen any of these out there. NEBO Rambler 100 power station. Amplifier 9 watts. 100 watts output AC. Charges 5 other ones. I get to see that right there, I guess. Now with the light. Ghost in the Boss. The NEBO 20-watt USB adapter, 24-inch USB-C cable, 12-volt DC. Wow, it actually comes with the brick. That's crazy. Durable, built to last, rugged design. Reachable. I guess you can connect the solar panels. How it works. Home in the car. The sun. Sold separately. Store power. Transfer power. 5-volt DC, 2.4 amps, dual USB-C power delivery port, wireless 10 watts, AC output 100 watts, and we can charge. Meets TSA. Alright, let's open this thing. It's brand new. Nice. This thing. USB ends. Damn, those thick boys. See. Guess it came with no charge.